I am inspired by trying to do things that people would deem impossible and any work that is meant to bring an environmental good for our planet. I'm Gabe Tavis, and I'm the winner of the U.S. James Dyson Award. My invention, Pyrus, is meant to address deforestation by acting as an alternative for tree-based wood. It resembles a lot of those exotic woods that are being cut down in places like the Amazon. Deforestation is an issue that affects up to 1 billion people, according to National Geographic, and between 2000 and 2010, there were enough trees lost worldwide to cover the entire state of Mississippi. Pyrus is a wood-like material that is made from repurposed bacterial cellulose coming from the kombucha industry. It's a waste product. It mimics a lot of the cellulose that you find in trees, except since it's grown by bacteria, we're not putting any pressure on trees in order to harvest it. My interest in nature was really sparked from spending time in forest preserves where I really got to be immersed in the forests and just letting myself be at peace with my surroundings. And that created a loyalty to the environment in a very visceral sense. And now I dedicate my life to trying to keep it in a good place. Being a national winner for the James Dyson Award has really felt extremely gratifying for all the work we put in. It gives us the momentum to dream bigger and continue experimenting with wood and trying to fight for really a better planet in the process.